Since you like one of my videos, here's the story time I promised. Um, like like I said earlier in the past two videos ago, so I know YouTube I'm recording as well, so I have a dungeon master. Can't say his name, so sorry. And he's really cool. And and by the way, I'm cleaning out my closet because it has most of my shirts in it. Um, you know, I also have my pants. You know, but anyways, yeah, my dungeon master hired me to do a yard work. So far, he also asked his aunt and he also asked me if I can do her yard as well here during that time. You know. But anyways, I was doing his job. I mean his work, so that he wanted to hire me. So and so far, he also asked his aunt that if not giving out names, so if I could work for her as well. And she said yes, and I said yes, and the whole situation with that is because I was working in his yard. Sorry for a little bit of mix up on that one. Yeah, the whole beginning of this story is that my dungeon master asked me if I had any yard jobs before. And I go, yeah, I do. And apparently he had to hire me. And he was looking for a yard maintenance guy, so I was the guy, so and I asked him, hey, do you mind if I record for YouTube? He goes, sure, under one stipulation that you don't film our mailbox or the front of our house. Which I did. I never filmed it, so except for did see the video. If not, oh well. Or videos. Yeah. Oh, what the frick? Yeah, that's the whole story. And I'm kind of sticking to it, so. Yeah. Straight out these t-shirts, sold it. America. Shout outs for TikTok to the America dude. Also the duet dude, I think. Yeah, that's his name, so sorry I forgot. Sorry about that duet dude. I forgot. Did you forgive me? America. America. If the duet dude would duet me, please, I'd be happy for you to duet me. Or Stitch. Both. Movie memorabilia right there. Oh, speaking of that, I got Purple Rain t-shirt. It's been awesome that I wear it. Oh yeah. Looks like this story's about over with, so have fun. Do what you normally can. TikTok and YouTube. And have a fun blast. Remember, as C. Dubber says, no matter the dumb fuckery, don't let nobody steal that joy. Yow! And also, duet dude, America. Like I said, this is also for TikTok as well. YouTube. Because I'm recording for TikTok. It's still going. It's clean. Throw that there. Right there, Junior. TV shows and movie memorabilia goes in front of anime. Especially cartoons will go before. Mm-hmm.